When you look at a pyramid, you must understand that it is something way beyond and above. And people who have been mastering or practicing Merkaba, you're gonna find this information very useful. And with the people that have not come to it, as soon as you come into understanding the Merkaba and practicing it, this information will be useful as well. A pyramid, you can do so many things. You can disappear with it, create a protection shield. You can teleport with it. With the pyramid shape, 5 people can create a new planet, and it's easy. With the pyramid form shape, that is connected with an energy to an energy grid, you can create a pattern in your household to make a protection. It's the same thing that happens when you combine crystals, specific crystals, on an energy grid pattern in order for you to fulfill that and create a shape of a protection in the household. You can go as far as making your household to be invincible. And for the people that are meant to see it with good energy and intention to come and for that house to be visible to them only, you can do that. I want to make an example. So many people hear of this energy grid, and people don't understand what is an energy grid. And when you hear people talk about a simulation is an energy grid that has been programmed. And I told you on my live previously that it has been programmed by 4 masters. This is an energy grid, right? Okay, this is a grid. And with its patterns here, when you put crystals in different shapes, like there's diamonds and whatnot, you can create a form of protection and open portals with this grid, right? This is something that you have within your body as well. And along when you practice your Merkaba, you master understanding the tetrahedrons, it's easy for you now to manipulate an energy grid or to become one yourself and start to operate in a different system. Then you start to program your big crystal, because your whole entire body then now becomes that crystal, like you program your crystals. In a form of a meditation, you can sit in the center of your household and create a shape of a pyramid and program it to do wonders. I'm telling you. Those who are practicing Merkaba, it's gonna be easy for you to do that, right? You know, each and every house, okay, all tall buildings, they're not built there by mistake. Underneath, there's a control energy that is connected to transform and continuously generate so much energy to create and make a city. That is why it's very rare you'll find a tall building in rural areas. Because in order for them to build those tall buildings, they have to, it is a map they have of old cities that carried so much charge of an energy to connect with them and continuously reconnect and rekindle that energy for a purpose, to create different portals and energy that will affect people both positively and negatively, and have a way to manipulate them to the system's will, right? Real architectures know that it is not wise to build anything on the surface of the planet. If anything has to be built, it needs to be in the center of the earth. That's where life is. I've once said this, that it's easy for people to be destroyed on the surface of the planet. They're doing it on purpose. You look at the aircrafts, the alien aircrafts, they don't drive on the land. They use free energy, and we were supposed to be living like that, using free energy. And we're not supposed to live on the surface of the planet, but underneath. We're supposed to actually come out with these objects and do what we want to and go back. That's what the alien craft are doing. And by the way, The aliens that people say that they are aliens and creatures, they're not like that. They're like you and I. If you look at all the buildings, they do have this grid, right? Diamond shaped, pyramid shaped. You look into them, you see different hieroglyphics that foretells information why it's been placed there. Because they have to engage this connection with the energy grid of this planet connected to the simulation. So pyramids are very, very special, and this alien aircraft, they charge energy from the pyramid of Giza. That's where they get their energy from, or fuel, like the petrol station. So when you create an energy grid around you, like a Merkaba mastering that, your energy becomes too powerful. You can light up the whole city with it. When you create a shape from an influence of your Merkaba to protect your household, you can also steam that much powerful light. So you see, pyramids are not something to just look at it and look away. If you've ever been in the pyramid, you will notice that your body starts to change. And if you're connected highly, you'll even start to float in the air. Right? That's the potential power a pyramid holds. Even if you start to draw it, there's an engagement you have with it in a pattern. Even if you start to create any copper wire that is a pyramid shape, you start to engage with that energy. There's something you're going to have to connect with. It goes very, very deep. It's very interesting, and these are the things people should look into if you want to understand so much about your body and master knowing what's happening here. They use these things to control everyone, and these patterns, especially children, you know. But you can create this pyramid shapes around your household, in your room, for protection through meditation and programming, and let it do your will, and it will happen that way.